Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, I know it's been a while since I posted, guys. I am so sorry. Please forgive your girl. But I am back with Indaba Zakamseleko. So, Izingane Zakamseleko is back. Izingane Zesthembu. Now that they are back, I made some few videos on TikTok. Please enjoy the comments that we made on TikTok and let me know what you think. Please do not forget to like and to share and to subscribe. Here are the TikTok videos. Bazalwane izingane zesithembu, right? I don't know, ne? You guys will correct me. You guys know this better than me. Na ke sapopuleta. So you guys will correct me. Starting with Usne. Am I wrong for thinking the beef Yasneli Mpilwentle it's more than the Mpilwentle is the most fake person, and also the issue at the table at the dinner go Sun City. Like, am I wrong for thinking there's more to the story? Because the anger at which they have with each other, like I don't know, it's not making sense. I get pila ba kwatelane for eng, like gore ba fitlhe mo moreng a re sa boledisana. Even if we were in one room, I don't have to speak to her and I'm fine about that. Like, I don't know, am I reaching or what? Because I honestly think Uguti there's more to the story and they're not telling us. Am I wrong?